In this video, I'm going to show you how to send mail from another account in Outlook. If you happen to have more than one account connected to your Outlook application, this can be especially useful. In my case, I have several accounts, including my Gmail account, connected to my Outlook application. I'll also show you how to send on behalf of another account, if that's what you're looking to do, and if you've been given permission to do it by the other party. I'll be demonstrating this example using IDLE. However, feel free to use whatever IDE or code editor that you're comfortable with. The first thing to do is to import Win32.com and start up an instance of Outlook. Next, I need to get a reference to the account that I want to send from. In order to do this, I need to access the current session of Outlook and then index the account that I want from the Accounts Collection property. As is typical of these collections, you can index them in several ways: with the item method, with a simple zero-based index, or by name. Next, I'm going to create a message with the createItem method, passing in the argument 0, which represents a mail item. Now I can begin filling in the message attributes such as to, subject, body, etc. Finally, I'm going to set the account that I want to send from. Unfortunately, what I've been able to research and test, the send using account property of the mail item doesn't seem to work. However, I was able to find another way to achieve the same result, it's just not quite as clear cut. Using the mail item object we've created, type in the following in order to change the account you're sending from: message._OLEOBJ underscore dot invoke, and then the arguments we're going to pass in are star, left parentheses, 64209, comma, 0, comma, 8, comma, 0, comma, and finally pass in the reference to the account you want to send from. In my case, it's my Gmail. I'm going to use the display method so that I can see the results. You can see that this message is set to be sent from my Gmail account, even though it's not the default profile on my account. Now I can save or send the message. What I've just described is different from sending on behalf of another account, which is a common task with shared mailboxes, or if you've been given permission to send on behalf of another party. The email will still be sent from your account, but it will indicate that it's on behalf of someone else. This kind of change is fairly simple. You change the sent on behalf of name property of the mail item. In this case, I simply type in message.sentOnBehalfOf equals, and then the account I want to send on behalf of. Now, I don't have a shared mailbox on this account, but I do use this kind of approach at work, and it's fairly straightforward, as you can see. And that, my friends, is how you send email using another account, and also how you send on behalf of another account. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If so, make sure you click that like button and subscribe to see more content like this in the future. See you in the next video.